Making money by creating websites can be highly profitable. Whether you build sites for clients, sell templates, or run your own web-based business, here's how you can monetize website development. Offer web design and development services. Create websites for businesses, freelancers, or startups and charge per project. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn to find clients. Offer services like WordPress design, Shopify store setup, or custom-coded websites. Sell website templates and themes. Design and sell HTML, WordPress, or Shopify themes on ThemeForest, Template Monster, or Creative Market. Offer website templates for specific niches. Build and monetize your own websites. Create a blog or niche website and monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Build an e-commerce site and sell products using Shopify, WooCommerce, or dropshipping. Develop a membership site where users pay for premium content or services. Flip websites for profit. Buy or build websites, grow their traffic and revenue, then sell them on platforms like Flippa or Empire Flippers.